In this video, we'll multiply numbers in other bases than 10. So let's start with the first example, 1, 2, 3 in base 6 times 4 in base 6. So we multiply the same way we learned to do it in base 10. So 4 times 3 is 12 in base 10. So we are going to convert that into base 6. So 12 divided by 6, 6 goes into 12 2 times, 2 times 6, 12, subtract, remainder 0. We take the quotient of 2, 2 divided by 6, it's 0, 0 times 6 is 0, subtract 2. Now when we record the remainders from right to left, we get 2, 0 in base 6. So we write 0 here and we move over 2. 4 times 2, it's 8, plus 2, it's 10. So 10 in base 10 is what in base 6? So we go 10 divided by 6. 6 into 10 goes 1 time. 1 times 6, it's 6. Subtract, we get 4. 1 divided by 6 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. Subtract 1. When we record the remainders, we get 1, 4. So we put 4 here and we move over 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 540 in base 6. Let's do another example. 4, 3 in base 5 times 2, 1 in base 5. So 1 times 3, it's 3. And 1 times 4, it's 4. So that's fine. Plus, and now 2 times 3, that's 6. So 6 in base 10 is what in base 5? So we divide 6 by 5 and we get 1. 1 times 5, it's 5. Subtract 1. 1 divided by 5, it's 0. And that gives us 1. So the remainders are 1, 1. So 1 times, so now we are at 2 times 3, which is 1, 1. So we put 1 and we'll move over 1. Now 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 in base 10, we want to change it into base 5. So 9 divided by 5, it's 1. 1 times 5, it's 5. Subtract 4. 1 divided by 5, it's 0. Subtracted 1. So 1, 4. And we put 1, 4 here. Now we are going to add them. So 3 plus this, we write down 3. 4 plus 1, it's 5. So now 5 in base 10 is what in base 5? And we've done this several times. This is 1, 0. So 0, we move over 1, right? So 1 plus 4, that's 5 again. So that's 1, 0. We write 1. And 1 plus 1, it's 2. So 2003 in base 5 is actually multiplying 4, 3 times 2, 1. So every time we are changing from base 10 to base 5, for example, in this case, right, we take the quotient and we divide again. The quotient, it seems like most of the time it's 1, but is not a rule. So let's do one more example. 2, 4, 3 in base 7 times 6 in base 7. So 6 times 3, it's 18 in base 10, and we want to change it in base 7. So how do we do that? Well, we divide 18 by 7. 7 goes into 18 2 times. So we get 14, subtract, we get 4. So this is another situation where the quotient was not 1 like we usually get. And now 2 divided by 7 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract 2. So when we write the remainders, we get 2, 4. So we put here 4 and we move over 2. 2 times 4 is 24 plus 2 is, 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2 is 26 in base 10. So let's change that to see what is in base 7. So 26 divided by 7, well, this time it's 3 3 times 7 is 21, subtract, we get 5. So I just wanted you to see how not all the time the quotient is 1. 3 divided by 7, 7 into 3 goes 0 times 7 is 0, subtract, we get 3. So 26 in base 10 is 3, 5 in base 7. So we write the 5 and we move the 3. We save the 3. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3, it's 15. So 15 in base 10 is equal to what in base 7? So 15 divided by 7, 7 goes into 15 2 times 7, 14, subtract 1. 2 divided by 7, it's 0, 0, subtract 2. So 2, 1. So then here we're going to put 2, 1 in base 7. So in other words, 2, 4, 3 in base 7 times 6 in base 7, it's 2, 1, 5, 4 in base 7. And this is the whole solution with changing with the work that shows how we change from base 10 to base 7.